Software is everywhere. It's on our phones, in our cars, and even in our kitchen appliances. We depend on software every day. We trust it to work correctly and not cause us problems. But software is made by people, and people make mistakes. That's where software testing comes in. Software testing is like a safety net. It helps catch errors before they become big problems. Testing makes sure software is reliable and does what it's supposed to do. This essay will explore the world of software testing. We'll discuss why it's so important and how it works. Imagine a world without software. No smartphones, no internet, no online shopping. Life would be very different. Software has revolutionized the way we live, work, and play. It connects us, entertains us, and simplifies countless tasks. From banking apps to medical devices, software impacts nearly every aspect of our lives. This reliance on software makes its quality and reliability paramount. A small error in a critical software system can have significant consequences. Software testing helps ensure that the software we depend on is safe, secure, and functions as expected. Software testing is not just about finding bugs, it's about building trust in the software we use. When software is thoroughly tested, we can be more confident that it will work as intended. Testing helps prevent costly errors. Finding and fixing a bug early in development is much cheaper than fixing it after the software is released. Testing also improves software quality. It helps to ensure that software is user-friendly, efficient, and meets the needs of its users. In essence, software testing is an investment in quality, reliability, and user satisfaction.
Software development is a complex process. It involves many steps, from gathering requirements to writing code to testing and deployment. At each stage, there is potential for human error. Developers might misunderstand requirements, make typos in the code, or overlook potential problems. These errors can lead to software defects, which can cause the software to malfunction or behave unexpectedly. Software testing helps to identify and mitigate these human errors.
Section 5. Different ways to test software. There are many different types of software testing, each designed to ensure that the software meets its requirements and performs as expected. Each type focuses on a specific aspect of the software, ensuring comprehensive coverage and quality. Functional testing checks if the software does what it's supposed to do. It verifies that each function of the software application operates in conformance with the requirement specification. For example, does the button actually submit the form when clicked? This ensures that the user interface elements are working correctly. Does the app crash if you enter invalid data? This helps in identifying and fixing bugs that could cause the application to fail. Performance testing evaluates how well the software performs under different conditions. It measures the responsiveness, stability, scalability, and speed of the software. Can the website handle a large number of users at the same time? This is crucial for applications expected to serve many users simultaneously. Does the game run smoothly on different devices? Compatibility testing ensures that the software works across various devices, operating systems, and browsers. Security testing identifies vulnerabilities that hackers could exploit. It ensures that the software is protected against threats and attacks. Is the user data protected? This involves checking if data encryption and secure storage mechanisms are in place. Can someone access sensitive information without permission? This helps in safeguarding user data and maintaining privacy. These are just a few examples of the many types of software testing. Each type plays a vital role in ensuring the overall quality and reliability of the software. By employing a combination of these testing methods, developers can identify and address issues early in the development process, leading to a more robust and user-friendly product. Automated testing tools can also be used to perform repetitive tasks, saving time and reducing human error. This allows testers to focus on more complex and critical aspects of the software. Regular testing and continuous feedback are essential for maintaining high standards and delivering a successful software product. Ultimately, thorough and effective software testing ensures that the final product is reliable, secure, and meets the needs of its users.
Section 6. The testing journey. Software testing is not a one-time event. It is a critical and continuous part of the software development process. It's an ongoing process that continues throughout the software development lifecycle, ensuring that the software meets the required standards and functions as expected. The testing process typically starts with meticulous planning. This phase is crucial as it sets the foundation for the entire testing journey. Testers determine what needs to be tested, how it will be tested, and who will do the testing. They create detailed test plans that outline the scope, approach, resources, and schedule of the testing activities. Next, testers design and execute test cases. These test cases are specific scenarios that are designed to test different aspects of the software, ensuring that all functionalities are working as intended. Test cases are meticulously crafted to cover a wide range of scenarios, from normal operations to edge cases that might cause the software to fail. Testers then analyze the results of the tests and report any defects they find. This analysis is critical as it helps in identifying areas of improvement and ensuring the software's reliability. The testing process is iterative. This means that defects are fixed and the software is retested to ensure that the fixes worked and didn't introduce new problems. This cycle continues until the software is deemed stable and ready for release. This iterative approach helps in maintaining the quality of the software, making sure that it meets the user's expectations and performs well under various conditions. The collaboration between developers and testers is key to the success of this process, ensuring that the final product is robust and reliable.
Section 7. Techniques for testing. Testers use a variety of techniques to test software. These techniques help ensure that the software functions correctly and meets the required standards. One common technique is black box testing. This method focuses on testing the software from an external perspective. In black box testing, the tester doesn't need to know anything about the internal workings of the software. They simply interact with the software as an end user would. They provide input and observe the output, checking for any discrepancies or unexpected behavior. This helps identify issues that users might encounter. Another technique is white box testing. Unlike black box testing, this method requires knowledge of the internal structure of the software. In white box testing, the tester has access to the source code and can see how the software works internally. This allows for a more thorough examination of the software's logic and structure. This allows them to design tests that target specific parts of the code, ensuring that each component functions as intended. It helps in identifying hidden errors within the code. Grey box testing combines elements of both black box and white box testing. Testers have partial knowledge of the internal workings of the software. The choice of which technique to use depends on the specific software being tested and the goals of the testing effort. Each technique has its own strengths and weaknesses, and often a combination of techniques is used to achieve the best results. By employing these various testing techniques, testers can ensure that the software is robust, reliable, and ready for deployment. This comprehensive approach to testing helps in delivering high-quality software products.
Section 8. Tools of the trade. You know, software testers use a variety of tools to help them test software efficiently and effectively. Test management tools help testers organize and manage test cases, track defects, and generate reports. Test automation tools automate repetitive testing tasks, such as regression testing, which checks if code changes have introduced new defects. Performance testing tools simulate real-world user loads to see how the software performs under stress. These tools help testers save time and improve the accuracy of their testing.
Section 9. Finding the right tools. Choosing the right testing tools is crucial for effective software testing. The selection of tools depends on several factors, including the type of software being tested, the testing budget, and the skills of the testing team. For example, testing a mobile app requires different tools than testing a web application. Similarly, a small team with a limited budget might opt for open-source testing tools, while a large enterprise might invest in commercial tools with more advanced features. It's important to carefully evaluate different tools and choose the ones that best meet the specific needs of the project.
Section 10. The value of experience. While tools are helpful, the human element remains crucial in software testing. Experienced testers possess a keen eye for detail and a knack for uncovering hidden defects. They understand the intricacies of software development and can anticipate potential problem areas. Furthermore, experienced testers can effectively communicate their findings to developers, facilitating faster and more efficient bug fixing. The combination of technical skills, domain knowledge, and a tester's intuition is invaluable in delivering high-quality software. Investing in training and development for testers is essential for any organization that values software quality.
Section 11. Conclusion: Quality through testing. Software testing is an essential part of the software development process. It helps ensure that software is reliable, secure, and meets the needs of its users. By catching and fixing defects early, testing saves time and money in the long run. As software continues to permeate every aspect of our lives, the importance of software testing will only continue to grow. A commitment to thorough testing is a commitment to quality, user satisfaction, and building trust in the technology that shapes our world.